This video describes how to replace the platen on an Epson TM-L90 printer. The platen is the rubber roller that advances the label out through the cover.
Start by opening the machine and removing the roller bar gear. Behind the gear are one C-clamp and one roller bearing. Once those are removed, simply undo the screw-holding plastic guide in place. Repeat process on both sides and then remove the roller bar.
Snap the roller bar into the guides and snap the plastic paper sensor back in place. Install the small screws. Install the roller bar bearings. Finally, the C-clamps and the drive gear.
Lost one of these C-clips, but you would put one here and here. It's not. The easiest thing to depict, but goes on like that. You put another one here, and then you take this flat side, this is notched. You can't really see. Yeah, it's flat on the top there.
That's it. Thanks for watching.